Hello friends, today we will discuss liquidity trap. A liquidity trap is a situation where monetary policy loses its effectiveness due to low interest rates and a preference for holding cash, leading to prolonged economic stagnation. When interest rates are low, people prefer to keep cash in hand. Historical cases like Japan's lost decades and the post 2008 recovery illustrate its challenges, showing the need for coordinated fiscal and monetary policies to break the cycle. A liquidity trap occurs when interest rates are at or near zero, and monetary policy becomes ineffective in stimulating economic growth because people and businesses hoard cash instead of spending or investing it. In this scenario, injecting more money into the economy through central bank actions like lowering interest rates or quantitative easing fails to boost demand, as individuals and firms prefer holding liquid cash due to pessimism about the economy, low confidence, or expectations of deflation. Key features of liquidity trap are zero or near zero interest rate. Borrowing costs are low, that further reduction have little effect. Preference for cash. People hold on to money rather than investing or spending, often due to fear of economic instability or deflation. Ineffective monetary policy. Central banks cannot stimulate demand by lowering interest rates or increasing money supply. Deflationary pressure. Expectations of falling prices discourage spending as people wait for cheaper prices in the future. Mechanism. In a liquidity trap, the demand for money becomes highly elastic. Even if central banks increase the money supply, it does not translate into increased spending or investment. The economy stagnates. With low growth, high unemployment, and persistent deflationary pressures. So we can see some examples of liquidity traps. Japan in 1990s and 2000s, the lost decades. After Japan's assets price bubble burst in the early 1990s, the Bank of Japan lowered interest rates to near zero to stimulate the economy. Despite these efforts, economic growth remained stagnant. Liquidity trap evidence consumers and businesses hoarded cash due to fears of further economic decline and deflation. Even with